A very good evening. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. From Sunday 10 to Saturday 16 March, the rectors of the Salesians of Don Bosco and superiors of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians in Piedmont, Valle d'Aosta and Lithuania gathered in Mornis for the joint spiritual exercises. Very intense days led by Father Giuseppe Roggia, who proposed the morning reflections starting from the letter to the Colossians, and in the afternoon the historical spiritual reading of Don Bosco's dream at 9 years of age. The day in silence, except for dinner and after dinner, created the environment to receive the contents in reflection and prayer, but also in spiritual exchanges. Prayer together was a moment of great benefit because the seriousness and harmony of spiritual styles and needs between the SDB and the FMA was spontaneously verified. The Don Bosco Novitiate in Makini, Lusaka hosted the ZMB Vice Province Spirituality Days, which took place from 19 to 20th March. Numerous Salesians, Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, past pupils, volunteers and animators gathered for the occasion, numerous with the aim of discussing the Rector Major's Strena 2024, the dream that makes you dream, a heart that transforms wolves into lambs. In addition to Strena 2024, participants explored topics such as Don Bosco's childhood dream and the shared mission. The representatives of the different groups of the Salesian family then told their respective stories in the ZMB Vice Province. This is a great moment for the Salesian presence in masses, which this year celebrates its centenary of service to young people. The event is an opportunity to remember and thank the first Salesians who, with their example of faith and unconditional love, in 1924 sowed the first seeds of what is now a great community of missionaries in love with this land, who embrace the ancestral visions and traditions of local cultures to keep Don Bosco's dream alive in the Ecuadorian Amazon. The solemn ceremony for the celebration of the centenary took place on 15 March 2024 in the Washington Recalfe Theatre in Masses. The extraordinary visitation to the Blessed Serafino Namancura province of Southern Argentina, ARS, continues. The visitation has already touched the houses in Neuquén province, those in the middle valley of the Rio Negro, Bahia Blanca, and the houses in the metropolitan area and the city of Buenos Aires. Father Gabriel Romero, Regional Council of America South Cone, visited La Plata, La Pampa and some houses in the city of Buenos Aires, while Father Alfonso Boyer, appointed by the Rector Major to accompany the Regional Councilor for America South Cone in his visitation, was in Park Avellaneda. The annual meeting of presidents and representatives of the Association of Mary Help of Christians, ADMA, in North Argentina took place at the retreat house of the pious disciples of the Divine Savior from 15 to 17 March. On the first day, the 24 participants, representatives of 12 local ADMAs out of the 20 in the province, had an initial online meeting with Father Gabriel Cruz, the new spiritual animator of the ADMA primary, who greeted them affectionately. Subsequently, Father Alejandro Govera held a conference entitled, "I Will Give You a Teacher," followed by the retreat led by Father Orlando Sanchez SDB, ADMA animator. On the second day, the participants explored the theme of the Rector's Major Strena 2024 and got to know about the local ADMAs. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.